Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to repair this broken locket. So let's start the video. So here, as you can see, the ring here is broken. So we need to repair this. So we'll have to solder this ring here. So this is a manual soldering method. These days there is laser soldering machine available which makes the job even easier. So now let's start the soldering process. So we need to be very careful while doing this, as the gemstone or the diamond or the AD stone might get damaged. So we just have to be very careful here. So here it is, the process is complete. Here, as you can see. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.